No negative keywords in your HVAC campaign is costing you $1,200 a month. Minimum. I've run HVAC campaigns for 7 years. Every account I audit without negatives looks the same. Here's the math. Average HVAC click costs $18 to $25. Without negative keywords, about 40% of your clicks come from people who never book a job. Job seekers, DIY searchers, students, equipment browsers. On a $3,000 monthly budget, that's $1,200 burned on clicks that won't become phone calls. The cause? You launched the campaign with broad match keywords and never told Google what not to show your ads for. The fix takes 20 minutes. Pull your search terms report. Add every irrelevant search as a negative keyword. Do it every Monday. Link in bio to book a free audit call. I'll tell you exactly how much you're wasting. For more videos like this, follow and subscribe.